start session now. So welcome to software testing course. So software testing, but in general, more popular name is testing tools it is. Okay. So this is Pranav who is going to take the complete course to you, including manual testing and automation testing, having the more than 17 years of experience in training as well as in the company. So semantic spaces where I worked as a framework designer. Okay. Now in this course, what are the topics we are going to cover? In general, okay. In general, in this course, we have the two modules we have. The first module where we are going to discuss about the manual testing. The module 2 will be automation testing. Module 1 is manual testing. So second module is automation testing. In module 1, what are the topics I will go and explain to you, miss? We are going to discuss in the module 1. First concept I will go and explain to you. Introduction to software testing. So in this introduction to software testing, I will explain to you what is software testing. What are the advantages of the software testing? What is the difference among the error, defect, bug and failure? What is the difference between testing, debugging, bug fixing, these things where what are the major activities about this? Then what is manual testing? What is an automation testing? These concepts we are going to discuss in the introduction to software testing. After that, I will go and explain to you introduction to software. Even though you don't have the any programming knowledge or any IT related knowledge, so to understand the subject easy way, from the scratch, I will go and explain what is software program, what is software, types of software, what is the meaning of product based software, what is project based software, what is project based software. So what are the different kind of environments we have for a project? What is product based company, service based company? Then different types of software, application software, programming software, system software. These things I'm going to explain to you. After this introduction, these two are the introduction concepts. So before going to start the actual subject, this fundamentals I will go to explain to you. After this, I will go on to explain to you here software or system development life cycle. That is SDLC we are going to discuss. Software or system development life cycle. So after this, SDLC related concepts. SDLC related concepts. like when do defects will arise while developing software. So what is the difference between quality assurance and quality control, where software testing comes under these things? After this, I will go and explain to you SDLC methodologies or models. What are the different kind of models we have to develop the software? There is the SDLC methodologies or models. What are the models we are going to discuss here? We have the waterfall model, V model. Latest one is Agile Scrum methodology. Waterfall model, V model, Agile Scrum methodology. After this method models, we are going to discuss about the testing methodologies or the testing methodologies such as white box testing. Second one is called black box testing, whiteboard testing, black box testing. Third one is gray box testing. So the different kind of testing methodologies. After this, we have the different kind of testing levels. Testing levels in SDLC. So we have like a unit testing. Second one, integration testing. Third one is system testing. The fourth one is user acceptance testing. So this only testing levels. No, actually, in this different testing levels, again, we have the different kind of testing techniques are there. So in integration testing, we have the Big Bang approach, incremental approach, then top-down approach, a bottom approach, hybrid or sandwich approach like this. Then if I go for system testing, again, there are 10 testing techniques are there, like functionality testing, performance testing, security testing, user interface testing, usability testing, compatibility testing. Like this, we have the a number of testing techniques are there under the system testing. Then we have the user accept test. Again, there we have the alpha testing, beta testing like this. So after that, again, some miscellaneous testing techniques are there, such as retesting. Next, what is a regression testing? Retesting, regression testing, smoke test, sanity test, informal testing techniques like ad hoc testing, exploratory testing, risk or priority based testing. These are the informal testing techniques we are going to perform. Okay. So next, see up to here, we are going to learn how the different kind of applications are going to be developed in software company, and what are the different kind of testings comes in the development process. What kind of testing developers are going to do? What is that intention? What type of testing we are going to perform testers? What is the purpose of that? What type of testing client will perform? What is the purpose of that? Like this, we are going to discuss. That is a, so after this, as a testing team, in real time, what are the activities we are going to perform? That is the next concept I am going to discuss. So, software testing life cycle, STLC. Name. So like how to prepare test plan document, then test design, test case design. Here about use case document, test scenarios, identification. So one is informal test scenarios, identification. Then here is the work which we are going to do. Formalized test scenario identification using or project related documents I will give you to get the live experience, how we are going to prepare the real time. So test scenarios for a project. So using project related documents. So we are some project related document, BRS, FRS, and test scenarios template by giving that. So like this, how to go for the real time test scenarios preparation. Test scenarios. Same way, real time, how we can go for the test cases preparation for a project. So, by giving the project related documents, so I will go on to explain to you how to go for the scenarios, test cases preparation. Then test cases, the test case, design techniques, types of test cases, preparing test cases by using project related documents, by using project related documents. by using project related documents. Then how to prepare the test data preparation. Test data preparation. Then test execution levels. Defect management process. Like how to identify defect identification. Reporting defects. Defect submission process in real time. Defect submission process in real time. Defect template. Defect template. Defect template. Priority and severity. Defect retesting. Defect closing. Then bug life cycle. Test to closure activity. Test to closure activity. So finally, software testing principles. This is the manual testing portion where we are going to discuss. Okay. After this manual testing portion completed, then we'll have the interview-oriented session on manual testing. So what type of questions we can expect in the interview point of time, how we can give the answers for the interview, these things where I'm going to explain to you. Interview session manual testing. After this, next module we have the automation testing. In this, first I will go and explain the tool like a Jira tool. I'm going to explain. Generally, it is used for the defect reporting purpose. Simple tool it is. Defect reporting tool it is. A defect reporting tool. After that, the next tool, which is important one, so Selenium web driver we are going to cover. Selenium WebDriver. In this, first, both we are going to core Java concepts will be explained. Then we go for the WebDriver tool we are going to discuss. So in WebDriver tool, we have the different kind of frameworks. So like a Cucumber framework, page object model framework, test engine framework. So keyword driven framework, modular framework, data driven framework. Like this, we have the different kind of frameworks. Those are going to be discussed. Okay. So now the manual testing portion we are going to discuss around 20 classes. We are going to cover the manual testing portion, whereas 20 to 25 classes manual testing. So there 30 to 35 sessions for automation testing. Main is for the Selenium we are going to discuss. The Jira is simple tool, but it is 1 or 2 days sufficient for the Jira tool. Right. So this the course content, the teaching plan will be. So we'll have the session timings are going to be so 4:30 to 5:30 p.m. IST class timings 5:30, 4:30 to 5:30. So we'll have the 5 days a week. That means Monday to Friday we have the classes. Sir, what about the notes? Yes. Once the registrations are completed through WhatsApp. So daily, what are the topics I will go into explain? The corresponding notes I will go into post in the through WhatsApp. Notes will be provided to you through WhatsApp. Daily class notes will be published in WhatsApp. The what about the recordings? Recordings also. So you will get the drive link from my management is going to provide you. After registration completed, the daily recording session links in the drives they are going to publish. The link will be given to you. You can access it. Is
Hello.
okay. Okay. Yeah. Any other doubts do you have? Yeah, tell me, ma.
Hello.
Yeah, tell me. Hello. Can you hear me?
Testing. Yeah.
Yeah.
Will you be teaching us how to test it on any website? I mean,
Hmm.
the
That's what we
automation
are going to learn.
that's it.
So, one
So on the
application,
website,
yes,
will you be teaching us how you will be automating that website?
yes.
Okay.
So different automation testing is completely practical orientation. It is not like theory manual testing. It is a completely practical, different kind of scenarios. How to develop the automation test script will be explained. Okay.
Hello.
Yes.
Yeah, will you be covering this Git related topics also, like how we push the code to repository and how we pull?
Yes, ma'am. During the automation testing, Selenium automation tester script, there's a repository how we are going to work. Git and GitHub, it will be explained to you. Not only Git and GitHub, along with that, we are going to discuss about the Maven, Jenkins, also will be
Yeah,
covered there.
CI/CD pipeline thing, right?
Maven, Jenkins will be covered instead of that one.
Okay.
Any other doubts anyone have? Ajay, Gayatri, okay. Varalakshmi, Karthikeyan, you are waited for this batch, okay. Vaibhav. Okay. So API testing is not part of the our course, it is there is a separate course for the API testing. Okay. Any other doubts? Do you have anyone? So okay, any doubts are there for this? Okay, there is a class session for us today. So tomorrow we're going to start the session subject. So any doubts are there? Let me give my WhatsApp number. This is my WhatsApp number. If you have any doubts, give the message to me. So later I will go to create the WhatsApp group to share the notes. Okay. So thank you very much. See you tomorrow. Bye.